In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete responses from Surveymonkey, ensuring your data management is smooth and organized. Whether you're tackling one response at a time or handling multiple entries, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive in and streamline your survey data. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, locate the specific survey from which you want to delete responses. Open your survey, and we can proceed to manage the responses. Navigating to the right section is crucial, so head over to the Analyze Results section. Here, you'll find the Individual Responses option. This is where you'll be spending your time managing and possibly purging the responses that you no longer need or want to keep. Surveymonkey offers two primary views for response management: Table View and Single View. Let's first explore the steps for deleting individual responses. In Table View, browse through your responses until you find the one you're looking to delete. Beside each response row, there's a Delete button. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation to remove the response, making the action final and irreversible. This ensures that once you've deleted a response, it won't clutter your dataset anymore. Switching over to Single View, you'll notice a similar delete option, but this time located in the top right corner of the page. When you select this Delete button, just like before, you'll get a prompt to confirm the action. A quick tip here: always double-check that you're deleting the right response. Since the deletion is permanent, it's better to err on the side of caution. Now, if you find yourself needing to delete multiple responses at once, perhaps to save time or to manage bulk data, Surveymonkey's bulk deletion feature in the Table View will be your best friend. This feature allows you to remove up to 30 responses simultaneously. In the Table View, you'll see checkboxes next to each response. Click these checkboxes for every response you want to delete. Once you've made your selection, look for the Delete Selected Responses button. It usually appears as a trash icon and is your gateway to bulk deletion. Confirm the action to ensure those responses are permanently removed from your survey data. And there you have it. Whether you're deleting a single response or managing multiple entries, following these steps will help keep your Surveymonkey workspace tidy and organized. Remember, managing your data effectively isn't just about getting rid of what's unnecessary, but also about making informed decisions on what to keep. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about deleting Surveymonkey responses. Keep these tips handy and happy surveying.